Today we're going to talk about 7.1a, which is comparing integers. So what an integer is it's any whole number, positive or negative, that lands on the number line. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, negative 10. I'm going to go up here, positive 10. Okay, and 0. Alright, so there's my number line. Of course, negatives are over here, positives are over here. So when we compare integers, we just need to think to ourselves what numbers we're dealing with. So let's just say we're given negative 4, negative 8, 2, 10, and 3. And say they want these from greatest to least. Okay, we can always use our number line to look which is greatest to least. We know the further left we go, the less the number is. So, first we're going to start out with greatest. I can see that my 10 is going to be my greatest number in this, and I can cross them off. Then next will become my 3, and now my 2. Okay, and so this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So which one's bigger, my 8 or my 4? Okay, my 4 is bigger because my 4 is going to land right about here on the number line, and my 8 is going to land right about here. And we said the more left we go, the less it is. So the further left, the smaller the number. The further right, the bigger the number. So we know next is going to be our negative 4, and then our negative 8, greatest to least. Okay, now, if I was given another set of numbers, okay, I was going to give numbers, let's say negative 40, negative 36, negative 12, 10, 2. Okay, and then they said that they wanted us to order them, instead of greatest to least, they wanted it least to greatest. I'm going to look at my numbers again. I'm going to see which is my least. So the furthest left, which would be the furthest away from 0 to the left side. Okay, I know my 40 is going to be the furthest away from left, and then 36, negative 36, and then 12, and then 2, and then 10. Okay, so with integers, you just need to take your time, look at the number line, think to yourself, which is further left? That's going to be your smallest number. Which is furthest right? That's going to be your biggest number. Well, that's pretty much it for 7.1a, comparing integers. If you have any more questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks so much.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.